Hello everyone, it's Haron here, radiographer, sonographer. Today I'll be unboxing and testing the DRSONO portable ultrasound by DRSONO. It's a handheld ultrasound that can perform range of body exams including abdominal, pelvic, obstetrics, vascular, and even cardiac imaging. You can perform all this by the use of your phone, tablet, or even personal computer wirelessly. The package is here. I received this package a few weeks ago, so I'm going to unbox it and show you how it works and who it can benefit. This is the box. I'm going to unbox here with you to show you the content. So this is the box. So this is the box that comes inside the other box that was shipped with. So I'm going to open this box and show you the contents inside. So inside the box we have a bag. Yeah, it's a premium bag. It's a premium bag with soft finish, smooth. I just think it's just perfect for field work or outreach purposes. Let me open it also to check the content inside. Wow. So this is the box. So this is what's inside the box, the content. Well arranged professionally. So I'm going to list each and every item inside here to show you. We have this. This is adapter for charging a wall plug, a charger or a wall plug. We have this. This is a tablet holder or a phone holder. The probe itself, yes, the probe itself. Here it is. Here it is. Let me put it here first. Let me check what other thing. We have another small pocket inside the bag. Let me open it. We have this. This is wireless or charging pad. We have this small card. It's a warranty card with the warranty instruction and maintenance record. Inside the bag also we have this, a quick start guide to guide you on how to use the probe. We have this, it's a USB-C. I think that's everything that comes inside the bag. You just have this small card, qualified certificate for inspection, date of production. So that's basically what comes inside the bag. The bag is so nice with this DRSONO brand logo here. So let's talk about the probe. The probe is here. By the look of it, it is compact. It is compact, lightweight. It has this nice grip. It is well sealed. It has this DRSONO logo, brand logo here. It has this one button here. These two indicators here. These gray indicators here and there. It has this LCD here. To power on the probe, press this button. It is on. The probe is on. With the LCD indicator here shows how much battery you're left with. It has also that Wi-Fi blinking here. This shows it's ready to connect to any available devices. It has also this indicator here. It shows you which side is your right. This indicator here. It has a serial number at the back here. The probe has two heads, the convex and the linear. So that's basically about the probe. To charge the probe, you just rest it on the pad, charging pad, like that is charging. As you can see, it is charging. So that's how to charge the probe. So to get started is quite simple. You only need an app. You only need an app called Wireless USB Flash from Google Store or Apple Store. For my case, I'm using an Android, so I'll go to Play Store. Once you download the app, you power on your probe. Once you power on the probe, the app interface recognizes this model instantly. So you go to your Wi-Fi section, you'll find the SSID of this probe will be there. So you only need to tap it, and once you tap it, it will ask you for the password. The password is the serial number at the back of the probe here, excluding the SN, but in small case. So once you input the password, then you are ready to scan. So that's how to just get started. So inside the app, there are quite few presets. In the app, you can adjust dynamic range. You can adjust the focus of your image. You can increase or decrease the gain. You can have also the freeze. You can freeze and unfreeze your image. You can use the button or the icon in the app. You can input the name of the patient, age, LMP. You can change your presets. You can measure like that. You can measure from there to there. You can save your image after you are done. You can save the video, or you can even play what you have just done by just playing the play button. You can just play to view what you have just done. So that's all about the app interface. Next, I'll be showing you the real images. I obtained from this probe, but I'm going to do a demo scan I'm going to do an obstetric demo scan with this probe to show you the quality of the images. Do an early obstetric scan. I'm going to show you the fetus, using this probe here. Right now I can start. My preset is set, the app is on. I can pause, I can freeze and unfreeze my image. I'm going to share the screen with you here so that I'll be showing you what I'm doing here. Right now everything is well set. I even put the gel on the probe, so I can start scanning now. I'm going to change the preset to obstetrics because that's the area of interest. I can change to obstetrics, early obstetrics. So this is the fetus here. As you can see, the fetus is there. I can freeze this image to measure the fetus. The fetus is here. There. Let me freeze that image here. I can measure the CR of the fetus. Can measure there. As you can see the image here, the image is so clear. It's just crystal clear. It's just ideal for doctors, clinicians, sonographers, and even nurses who need a portable solution.